Hi there. In this video we will calculate the area of green area, which is concrete wall around the pool, swimming pool. Let's read the question. A rectangular swimming pool is 16 feet by 23 feet and is bordered by a concrete wall 4 feet wide as shown. How many square feet are in the surface area of just the concrete wall? So it is the green area as we know. So basically the question is giving us this length right here is 4 feet, and this length is the same amount, 4 feet, and this side also 4 feet, and this side of the wall is also 4 feet. So what we need to do in this type of questions, if we are asked the part surrounding the another shape, or it's basically cut off. If you see two rectangle here, so we see two rectangle here, and the area, the green area, is the area cut off area from big rectangle area and small the pool rectangle area. So the strategy here is basically the green area we are asked is big rectangle minus small rectangle. So we need to calculate the big rectangle. So we know the rectangle area is width times length. So we need to find, it's already given to us, it's 23 and 16. So the big rectangle, we can say 23 times 16. And next is this small rectangle. So how can we calculate this small rectangle? So let's do this multiplication problem here, and then we can calculate this small rectangle next. So 23 times 16, two-digit multiplication. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 2, 12, plus 1, that is 13. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 8, 6, 3. So big rectangle area is 368. So small rectangle, we need to know the small rectangle's dimensions from here to here. So it is not 16. 16 is the big part, so this part was 16. So we need to take away this 4 and this 4 from 16. So 16 minus 4 minus 4. 16 minus 4 minus 4, that is 8. So same thing for the length of the pool. So it should be 23 minus 4 minus 4 should be 15 feet and 8 feet. So small rectangle, now we can calculate. It's gonna be 15 times 8. So 15 times 8, we can do multiplication here. 8 times 5, 40, 4 carry over. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12, 120. So small rectangle is equal to 120 square feet, and big rectangle is 368 square feet. So down the road, the area, the green area is 368 minus 120, so that will be equal to 842, 248 square feet. So this green area here we found 248 square feet. So this is our solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.